Hello, welcome to Hevlendordesign. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create the Chess Bank logo using the logo grid. To get started, pick your rectangle tool, hold down the Ctrl key to make a perfect square. You can change your unit of measurements if it's not on millimeters. So you're going to size this rectangle to 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters. Press the plus key on your keyboard, or you can just reduce to create a second copy, and the second copy you make it 30 millimeters by 30 millimeters. With the freehand tool, we make a line, a straight line, align it with the smaller box, and click and drag to duplicate the smaller line just to make a copy of it. Select the both lines and make another copy below here. You can select all the line, hold down your alternate key, click and drag. You hold shift to deselect the big rectangle and rotate this. Okay, so if you have done this, now we'll pick the ellipse tool, hold down Control to make a circle. Let the circle be 7.5 millimeters. 7.5 millimeters. You align the circle to the edge of one of these boxes. Click and drag. Let's do the same for here. Then you can rotate this. So having done this, you use a freehand tool and create a diagonal line that will meet from this node to the middle of this. When you find the edge, you can just click OK. And the middle of this point is perfect. So we need to do this again. So to avoid just doing that, click on this, change the center of the line and rotate. Right click and left click to duplicate. Press Ctrl D to repeat this. So this is what we have. Now we need to use the segment delete. Okay, just delete this portion. Repeat the same thing for this. We're almost done. So now we'll have to use the smart view to build the shape. Click. You can actually determine the color before you build. So you can go with this. Select the shape, take it out of the grid, delete, take out the outline. So this is our Chase Bank logo. You can write the text Chase Bank. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified whenever we upload a new tutorial. have any questions, do not hesitate to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.